Let's make the most delicious crispy shrimp dipped in a honey buffalo sauce that are so good. You're gonna love them. I start off with some large deveined and deshelled shrimp with the tail on, and I soak them in buttermilk and a little bit of buffalo sauce with a pinch of salt. I pop these in the fridge covered for like 25 minutes, and in the meantime I am getting my dredging station ready, which is just flour, cornstarch, some seasoning, and some salt. And this is the time you want to get your frying oil ready as well, because you want everything ready, because they take no time at all to dredge, no time at all to cook. So once you stir all of these together, you're just going to go ahead and take your shrimp. I do a few at a time so that the flour doesn't get all gunky, and shake off the excess and just dip them in there and coat them really nicely. And then I place them on a parchment paper lined baking sheet. Don't do these two ahead of time, otherwise sort of the wetness of the shrimp will absorb the flour and then they'll get really soggy. Go ahead and dip them, add them to your frying oil a few at a time so that the temperature doesn't drop, and they only take like a minute and a half to cook on each side until they're deeply golden brown and crispy. They are so gorgeous. Oh my goodness gracious, you will love them. And then all I did was take some hot honey. You can just take regular honey. I just happen to have some hot honey because I was making pizzas, and I just mixed it with a little bit of buffalo sauce. I use Frank's, that's my favorite, and that is my dipping sauce. These are so good, you will love them. We devoured the entire thing amongst just a few of us, and I'm telling you, they went down really easily. Okay, they're very, very good. And then all you have to do to get the recipe is just look in the description box down below. It is all written for you. Place them on a platter, add your sauce to the side, and honey, you are in business. A few lemon wedges never hurt anybody, because you do need a little spritz of a little lemon on anything fried, a little extra pinch of salt, and just look at them. They are just spectacular. That sauce is glossy. It's a perfect mix of sweet and a little spicy. You can also add a little bit on top. I think that's really fun. But that is it. I hope that you make them. I hope that you love them. And I will see you in the next one. Bye-bye.